For anybody that has never planted potatoes, I'm going to show you how. These are not the best potatoes to work with though. These little, we call them eyes, but in the potato world when you're planting, they're called chits, C-H-I-T-S. You need a couple of these on your potatoes. This bag I just bought, these are russets, and they don't have very many. Here's a good one right here, but you want several on your potato. Before you plant them, you need to cut these potatoes open. You can plant them whole, but why do that when you can make more than one seed potato? These are called seed potatoes, by the way, but you're going to plant them with these eyes or chits, and you're going to cut them. Let me move these out of the way. And this is not a very good bag I bought. I don't have very good eyes on them. Those are russet baking potatoes. These are red potatoes, and they have a lot more of these eyes. You're going to cut these. You want 2 eyes on each potato that you're going to plant. So I cut that in half, and you have 2 here, and you have 2 here. So I cut it in half. That's going to be 2 potatoes to plant. There's a few little babies on here too. There's a lot of people who will carve those off. I don't have any trouble with them. The reason you need to cut them, you need to cut them and set them out so that this part can dry out and scab over. It's going to take a few days to a week. So I'm just going to cut these. I can get another one out of this. And when you plant them, you want to plant them with the eye up and the cut part down. But I'm going to take them and put them in a tray and lay them out and let them scab over and dry. It's going to take a few days to a week. That one does not have very many. I might plant that one whole. Oh, I wish these things had more on them. But if you don't let them dry out, they will end up rotting in the ground, and they will develop diseases while they're growing. But that's all you do. And if they're small like this right here, you can just plant the whole this thing whole. Not gonna hurt anything. I love red potatoes. And I'm just gonna leave them outside in a warm area. I could probably get several out of this one, so I'll cut that like that, and then I'm going to cut this one like that, and then it can sit down. I got 3 out of that one. So you're going to just lay them out in something. I just use a metal tray like this right here. It's going to be warm today, but not extremely hot, so I'm just going to set mine out in the sun. Don't do it. You run the risk of disease on your plant, on your potatoes, or they just rot before they have a chance to grow. I'll plant that one whole. But that's all there is to it.